Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to AirPlay iPhone to TV. All right, you need to ensure that both the TV and your iPhone or iOS device are on the same Wi-Fi network because if not, it's not going to work. Now, for TVs with AirPlay support, make sure you've set up their smart TV software because again, if you don't set up their software, it's not going to work. So now to do this, tap the screen mirroring button, which looks like two overlapping boxes like this. Select your TV from the list. If you have multiple AirPlay compatible TVs or devices, consider labeling each one based on the room it's in so that you won't be confused. On your iOS device or iPhone, enter the 4-digit code that appears on your TV screen. By default, you'll only need to do this one time on each device. Now, if you have an iPhone X or newer or an iPad running iOS 12 or later, swipe down from the upper right corner to reveal the control center. Otherwise, swipe up for control center instead. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.